Hey y'all, Ziva for Freedom. You know, there's just a handful of things that I'm having a hard time getting used to out here in the country. Yeah, this is one of them. There's no streetlights. I can't see nothing. Diddly, squat, zilch, zero. I can't see nothing. The one good flashlight we had, Little Hawk, lost when we were trying to hunt down a chick to cut out. But anyway, what are these? What's this noise? Are these caseta? Whatever. That bug? Are they frogs? What is that noise? Okay, y'all. Have a good night. Peace out.